character we're learning today is 月, which is the moon. It also means the month. So in Chinese, we think of the month as when the moon goes around once. So the word for moon and the word for month is 月. To write a character, we're going to start on the left side, going downward with a slight curve. Connecting on the top, go to the right, hang down, finally finish with a little hook. Now with two horizontal lines in the middle. Now this looks like the shape of a crescent moon with some shadows. Now is a good time to pause the video, compare your work to see if it resembles the character 月. 月. This is the character for the word moon or month. Now don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and get a notification so you will not miss your next lesson. See you next time. Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley.